Good morning, Northeasters. We're going togging. Maureen and myself.
Hey there.
Hey there. Look, somebody took a crap on the MOJOE. What the heck? Somebody shitted on the MOJOE. Man. Okay, Maureen, we're on our way. We had to clean the crap out of the boat. Someone took a dump in it. Oh man. You still have the fever?
Yeah, I got the TOG fever.
TOG fever. Saturday, we're going out again.
Catch shit, I'll give us good luck to catch some fish.
Yeah, maybe the crap on the boat is good luck. Maybe we'll pull a few keepers in.
Yeah,
yeah, that's for sure. Okay, Maureen, so, I don't know, where do you want to go? In the bay somewhere? Well, we'll figure it out. Pretty nice day out. 80 degrees maybe. October 7th. Today's the 7th? October, yeah, I guess so. What do I know? I'm just the captain. Okay, bye-bye, Northeasters. Again, we'll keep you in the loop. We'll keep you in the loop. JBay does it again. First drop, first fish. We're not here 5 minutes. Another nice keeper, Maureen.
Thank you, Captain.
Yeah. Here, go.
Oh, Captain. Yay.
Holy crap, man. Nice fish, Maureen.
That Joe make that TOG soup.
What's today? Saturday.
Yeah.
Saturday, yeah. Maureen did it yesterday and she did it again. First fish today too. Keeper. Bye. Hey, Northeasters. I guess whoever took a dump on the MOJOE with this shit, it's good luck, I guess. Because Maureen got, like I said, look at the size of that guy. Nice keeper. First fish. She says she's getting blasted too. Oh yeah. Oh God. You got him? Maureen, you got another one?
Yeah, he's only a little guy though.
Second fish. Where is it?
Coming.
Oh, there we go.
Here he comes.
Yeah.
Yay. Here he is.
There we go.
Little munchkin.
Okay, Maureen, that was the first drop. Your first fish was a nice fat keeper. Past the 16-inch mark. It's in a bucket there. And you got another short, right?
Right.
2 fish. That first drop. What did I get? Zippo? Oh boy, the captain gets Zippo. Okay.
Captain's busy cutting crabs up.
Yeah, I'm cutting crabs up. Okay.
Great, Captain.
We'll go to the second drop. Bye. Does it say record?
No, saying auto.
Record, right?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. This is a good one, Maureen.
Yeah, reel it up,
Recording,
babe.
right?
Reel it up.
Right? Whoa. Holy shit.
Oh, man.
Oh my God. Wow.
Ah, yes. Does it again. Told you.
Wait.
Man, now he's on my line, too. Shit.
Holy shit.
Oh, man, Joe. My line's all screwed up.
Okay, I'll fix it. Are you still taking pictures?
Yeah.
Okay, stop it.
I'm catching the babies and Joe's catching the mamas and the daddies.
Man, look at the size of this one. Holy crap, I'm gonna put him on us. See how many inches. Holy crap, Maureen just pulls another fucking keeper up.
Yep.
Oh man, Maureen. Wait, push him so I can see him. Oh. Wow.
He's gotta be 17, this guy.
Let's see.
Yeah, hopping. This one's a
Yeah,
17, yep.
17, man. Holy
Nice.
shit. Nice, honey bun. No, you gotta put your head down
Yeah,
here.
no.
We can't burn the spot. Look at this.
He's pissed.
We have 2 in there. Mine's, what was mine? 19?
19.
19.
19,
Past
16, and 17.
17. Holy crap. Very good, honey bun. Oh, Maureen's pulling them up now. What's that? You think that's about 14 maybe?
Yeah, he's about 14.
But look at our bucket.
You're staying in the boat.
Okay, let me
You're
see.
not leaving.
Wait.
Joe.
Okay, what? He's about 12 maybe, right?
No, he's 14.
Oh, no.
Or 13.
Oh my God.
Slicey.
Well, Northeasters, I gotta go. It's just short anyway. Bye. Got there, Maureen.
Little blackie.
Another one.
Little blackfish.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's so cute.
Nice little pick.
Yeah,
Pick.
beautiful.
Whoa. Okay, Maureen, end of the day. We had a great day out here. The bite wasn't really good at all. I mean,
What, a 19-inch, honey?
yeah, well.
Tag master?
Yeah.
TOG master?
Yeah, bull crap. No, Maureen got a 16, passed the mark.
17.
She got a 17.
2 keepers.
Yeah, she got 2 keepers. I got a 19-inch keeper. And
A couple of babies.
right, and she caught
Togs.
a handful of blackfish. But let me tell you, we kind of just had 2 drops today. And, you know, we just hung out, had a nice lunch, and throwing the bullshit around a little. But, oh, listen, I think whoever took a dump on the MOJOE today and left the shit on the MOJOE must have gave us good luck. Because we did get 3 keepers. And like I said, the bite was not really good. The ratio was good today. And, that's about it. So, go shit on your boats and maybe you'll have good luck. Okay, what else, Maureen? Anything else?
No, it's all
Okay,
these days.
over and out.
Have a nice
A beautiful
fishing trip.
day out. 80 degrees, I guess, right? A little
Yeah.
breezy now. We gotta go.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Okay, Maureen, what we got in there?
Okay, we got rid of this one here. We got this one here.
Oh, that's the big one, Maureen.
I took it out.
No, that wasn't the one you took
Yes,
out.
it was. This is the one I took out. He curled now.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
No way.
Yes, way.
Oh, yeah, put them down. Let me. Wait. We have another one in there, right?
Yeah, well, I can't hold the other one. He's smaller.
Yeah, but keeper. Well, we have 116 for the day. Like I said, 117. Maureen got the 16. Maureen got the 17. I got the 19 on the right. And like I said, the bite was like really weak for us. You know, we only had 2 drops, but the few fish we caught, as you could see, very nice. Okay, Northeasters. Bye. JBay's and the captain's catch up today. 19-inch. Nice blackfish. 19. One of these are 17. One of these are past 16. Very good. Nice day out.